Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with new releases. Sorry, my air conditioning just kicked on, but it's too hot not to have it on. In Texas, the summers are brutal, but I'm really excited to show you this week's new releases. But first, tomorrow, which is Thursday, I am having spots open for the mystery kit. The mystery kits no longer come to the shop, but if you guys want the chance to get a spot, there will be spots open at noon Eastern tomorrow on ScribblePrintsCo.com. And I am really excited about this month's mystery. It's actually already done being cut, so we'll probably be able to ship that out sometime next week. I'm hoping with the planner party. Not like totally sure, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and get into the new releases. Let's see. Let's go over the kits first, and then we'll go over all the other stuff after. So the first one here is an exclusive art collection, which this is the only one for this week. I think we have one or two coming out next week. I'm trying to start doing 4 kits a month, but we'll see how that goes. So this is an Ultimate Kit exclusive, and this is exclusive art to our shop, and this is Labyrinth themed, which Labyrinth is my favorite movie of all time. It's my favorite movie since I was like 4. I have a Labyrinth quote, which is actually this quote here, tattooed on my hips, and I just love this art. I just think it's so pretty. There's definitely like many like aspects of the Labyrinth that I feel like kits can be done in. I don't know how many I'm going to do because I feel like this is very niche, but I wanted to go more of like the pretty, almost like wedding-y vibes. It's from Sarah's, like, I don't think delusion's the right word, her like daydream, or I can't think of the right word for it, but you guys know what I mean if you've seen the movie. And then the extra full box here is Jareth and Sarah, and this is like their second outfit. So you have the, like, I can't think of what the word is, like fantasy, not even fantasy, but she was like kind of drugged. So anyways, so you have this page here, you have a ton of deco, so cute. And then the little scribblers here are just random ones, so I thought there wasn't any like that really matched the Labyrinth theme. And then you just have like glitter splatters in the background there. Your half boxes page, this one's been done for a while, so it doesn't have the glitter strokes around, but still very cute. Washi ombre heart checklist, and then your bottom washi, which is the faux bottom washi, and then your extra washi there. So that is the ultimate exclusive for the Labyrinth collection. And then where are my extras at? I just had them in my hand. Am I losing it? Guys, okay, there. Okay, so you have the option if you would like to add on the glitter sampler, which I love these colors. Reminds me a lot of my wedding colors. And then there's also the bows if you want to add those on as well. So, and the bows are just available on the weekend release. Or yeah, and then they're available till Sunday, and then those go out of shop. And then we do have a 3-hour unlimited stock on Friday at noon Eastern. Then we have a photo kit, which is our first fall kit. I don't think I'm going to do any other fall kits, but I do have, oops, did I show you the sampler for that one? It's on top of this, hello. I don't think I'm going to do any other fall photo kits, but I do have plans for, it's already in production, a Halloween one, and then also a winter one. Kind of like doing one for each. I might do 2 for Christmas though, but we will see. So you do have this cat here, which everyone was freaking out about. It reminds me of Professor McGonagall, but I really love the colors in this. I did a lot of like color editing to this collection. And then on the extra box, you do have the Autumn Leaves Pumpkin and Pumpkin Please, which is just so cute. I love the way that the quotes look with the photo kit. Sometimes I'm not super into them for regular kits as much anymore, but I do think that photo kits are really fun. There's an, oh no, there's like another kind of fall one. It kind of could be like anytime sort of, but I think fall vibes photo kit in production, and that's my favorite quote box I think ever. But I really did also like the poolside, was it called poolside? Photo kit. That one in my planner was so pretty. Then you have some fall scribblers, which will be released soon. And this is like the deco page for the photo kit. So you have a bunch of little mini triangles cut out in the little pattern. You have bows, coffee cups, a little laptop, and then 2 nail polish bottles, which I put these up here just so that you can cut these out then and save them really easily. Then you have your functional page, which in the background here, I doubt it's going to come across on camera, but you do have some like leaves in the background, which are really cool. Again, this was formatted before I added the glitter stroke. So much was formatted before then. That, and then you have this, so you might be able to see it a little better here, but you have like the leaves in the background. And then you do have your pumpkins. So Super, super cute, and that is the Ultimate Kit. There is also an option if you do want to do the mini kit, which I'm surprised actually that the photo kits are more popular in the Ultimates. I feel like a lot of people would like them in the minis, but everyone like loves photo kits in the Ultimates. So cute. The Ultimate exclusive page, and then the bottom washi page, which I love the pumpkins. I think it looks really cute all together. And then you also have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler, which is a really pretty fall vibes colors there. And then that is everything for that collection. Then last but not least, as far as collections go, I do have Belle, which I wasn't going to use this art, but then I was like really inspired last minute. I actually went on like a work vacation sort of. I don't know how to explain it, but I went away and designed 10 collections, and at the end of the 10th collection I was like, you know what, I want to do this art. So I just, you know, bought it, downloaded it, and this is what I came up with, and I think it looks really, really pretty. I think this will look really, really pretty with rose gold. Might actually look really pretty with our foil releases, these little photo corners, because I feel like these are really dainty and pretty, and I feel like they would look really cute. Especially with the rose gold like pink foil, or you could, I feel like this one you could also really go gold really easily. Anyways, super cute. And then the second page here, so you have some deco. There wasn't a lot of art pieces with this kit, so I just decided to do a couple girls and things like that, and then I did use some rose gold elements in there as well. And then the girls are like reading a storybook, which I thought was very fitting. I was going to do princesses, but I thought the storybook was a little bit cuter. And then you have a quote here, which is "Find your happily ever after," which is so pretty. Oh, also, oh no, not on this one. And then you have your glitter strokes in here. Super cute. Oh, what I want to show you guys is on, let me see, this page here, there is an Etsy logo. So I did go ahead and for anything I designed after this kit, remove the Etsy logo and put in the Scribble Prints Co logo. The only thing I didn't think about until I had already done those 10 collections is that I do have Etsy in here, which, so there's going to be a bunch of collections that still have it because they've already been printed. And I still shop on Etsy, so it's not like a huge deal. Like there's tons of shops still on Etsy. But I think I want to replace it with something, but I'm not sure what you guys would want it to say. Maybe Happy Meal, I think somebody suggested. So let me know in the comments what you guys want to see that replaced with for any kits that I design from now out. I really love this glitter stroke. You guys seem to really like it too. And then you have the bottom washi, which I kept really simple, but a lot of people mentioned the new Simply Gilded, what was it, the pre-sale would look really pretty with this. There was one that was like the exact colors, which I think would be so fun. Then this also does come in a mini kit. So this is the mini kit, so you still have the same Munchkin freebie from Once More With Love. I love Mark. She's my favorite. So pretty. I love the glitter stroke. I just think it's a fun little added touch, and most of these arts have a lot of glitter elements, so I think it really works. Then you also have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler, and then there's also the option if you want to add on the bows as well. Then we'll move on to the monthly kits. So there's two options here. We did decide to discontinue the Personal and the B6. They just hadn't been selling as well. These are going to be in the new cellos. I couldn't find cellos that fit perfectly, but these fit better than the old ones. The old ones had like a pretty big overhang. These just have a little bit of an overhang. Cellos have been a hard time. I'm trying to have them like mass produced, but I feel like there's just so much like variance that it kind of like makes me a little bit nervous. So this is the first one, which is the one I think I'll be using, because I am going to start doing monthlies again, but it's just going to be something that I do personally, I think, and then I'll just post on Instagram the ending of it. But this is like wizarding theme, so you have September, and then you have all the holidays on the bottom. I also added first day of school, because I know that people start school in September. You have your dates, your full boxes, your washi, your fancy labels, your movie marquees. You have your extra boxes, so you get 4 of those. You get a bunch of deco, some quarter and half boxes, your sidebar, your icons, your flags, and then your labels and your skinny washi for vacations and stuff like that. This was one of the kits. Well, every kit got an extra page add-on with no price increase, and then this one does have a little option, not option, but it comes with a little freebie with the bows, and then you can add on if you want the deco sidebar, and this one has all 4 of the bows. I just think it's such a cute little kit. I know a lot of people are doing like house pride weeks for September. A lot of people are doing all houses for September, which I think is really fun. We did do 2 sets of like different ones, like different Harry Potter inspired kits. We did ones that were mini kit exclusive and then ones that are ultimate exclusive. The ultimate exclusive ones are still in the shop, but super cute. So then this is the second option, which I wanted to do the bow to school like little art, because it's kind of like, this could definitely just be like for anyone, but I think it also is kind of like back to school vibes, but just like a really girly version, which was super cute. Your deco, your boxes, your sidebar, your icons, your labels, and your washi. And then last but not least, you do have the bows, and then you do have an option if you want to add on a sidebar. And I don't usually do like variances for the sidebars just because that would be like a lot, but I try to kind of switch it up from month to month as to like if we have a brunette, a blonde, light skin, dark skin, whatever. So then let's go on to the other items that I'm adding to the shop. So we do have scribblers coming this week. I forgot to bring them home, but they are going to be the travel and favorite foods, which those are just reformats of the older sheets in the colorful, but these are the ones that came out last week. I brought home Celeste. So this is the laptop sheet, and then this is the donut sheet. The donut sheet's probably my favorite. Picnic, and then the little Scribble Prints logo. Super cute. So those are available in the shop, and they're in all 3 girls. I will have washi cards up. This one just has Simply Gilded Skinny washi on it, but they are marble washi cards, and they are thinner but very sturdy. But yeah, so if you want to pick those up, I'll have those in the shop this week as well. And then for our foiled release this week, I do have the foiled photo corners. I was trying to see if I had any that I already pulled one off of. Yeah, I do. To show you what those look like pulled off. Where's my tweezers? So these look like this. So they're different photo corners. On the sheet you get 2 of each. So there's 15 designs there, and then it's just the same one, so you can do like photo corners, like one on one side. They're super cute. I think Jessica shared this in her story. She used some of these this week, which are super cute. So you do have the option if you want to pick that up in gold, rose gold, or silver. I really want to do a foiled sampler soon, so let me know in the comments what you guys would put on that, and maybe do some kind of special. I know Viv says she wants us to do a Wiggle It Wednesday and do foiled specials on Wednesday, so let me know what you guys would like. I would like to do like different kinds of foil maybe. Like I don't really want to stock like, you know, green foil, but I think it'd be fun to do like a special where I have some samplers or something in a special foil. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. I do have a metal bow for this week. The metal bow is blue. I have a ton of bows, metal bows, so I'll probably do one a week. And I do have some mini ones, so you guys want to see a mini one next week. I have a really pretty mini purple one, but this is the blue one. I know a lot of people are really excited for that. Other than that, I don't think we're releasing anything else. I feel like we're releasing a lot of stuff. I did sneak on Instagram, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, a kit that's coming out next week, which is Mystical Muse, which is a really pretty collection. I feel like the colors don't come off good whenever you show your phone on the screen, but I really think that would look super pretty with these, which I'm going to release next week, which are star full box overlays, which I'm so excited about. I used these last week in my spread, and they're so pretty. So really excited for that, and I think that'll go perfectly with those star overlays. But I think that's everything for this week. I feel like there's something else I wanted to mention, but I totally forgot. Definitely, if you need to get back in on the mystery, come back to scribbleprintsco.com on Thursday at noon Eastern and secure your spot for next month. Next month is super cute. It's an anytime kit. Well, August kit's an anytime kit. Probably be shipping it within the next 2 weeks. Well, definitely within the next 2 weeks, so I'm really excited for that. I have all of the mysteries designed up until December, so I am pumped. That's everything for this week, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.